it's time for the test to see which ones are drivable and which ones not. 3, 2, what? Okay, just go ahead. Alright, so that was actually drivable. And by the way, every time when I'm done driving one, I have to smash it into the one that pretty much destroyed it. Is this drivable? Yes or no? It's weird how like the engine's sticking out of the hood. Alright, so far it's working fine actually. Look. I mean, not fine. I mean, like, I can't. Drivable? Yes. Now is this Gavril truck H series? I think it's an H series. Does it work? Let's see for sure. Alright, so it's working okay. Let's do some crazy stunts with it. Crazy stunts? Kind of like what happened today. What I saw was like cars were drifting. A lot of Dodge cars. So let's crash this week. Drivable? Yes. Well, is the ambulance drivable? I am honestly surprised that this thing still works. Well, not the car, the siren. Talking about but the top's been ripped off a bit. You call this a little drivable? Yes. Ah, jeez. I highly doubt this is gonna. Okay, I take that back. Let's go. Drivable? Yes. Ah, yeah, this is gonna be weird. Ah. Look at that leaning. Look at the bus is leaning a bit. It looks like it. This is going to so destroy that. Eat the nuts. Ah, no. Drivable? Last car. alright here. I mean, that's press down.
Okay, now it's actually. And that tire just fell off.
Yeah, I pretty much just damaged it a little more. So here's the results. This one was drivable, somehow. This one was drivable. This one was drivable because there wasn't really much damage on it. This was somehow able to have the sirens on, and it was drivable. This was drivable somehow. Pretty sure the driver would have been poked multiple times, probably dead. Alright, this was drivable. And this got the Teen Titans Go show canceled. Alright, I'm just messing with you folks. I can still the roof's falling off. Let's have some fun with this.
I hope the Teen Titans Go creator doesn't see this video.
They're probably gonna see it. They're gonna see it.
Yeah.
They're gonna see it. Make it go boom! Okay, we need some more.
Yeah, like more creators never watch that.
Oh, no, not AI. Fun stuff. Break!
Yeah, but adults don't watch like gaming videos. They just watch like
Break.
They just watch like something. They just watch
Break.
and break.
No, there's still more to break. It's just
break.
Break.
I see the windows even cracked. Every time you do a single day,
Break.
oh my god.
Oh, not AI. Not AI. Break.
Oh my gosh, why are you breaking everything?
Because it's fun. Wait, what's this? Bus doors. Break. Oh, that actually looked pretty good. And this is already broken.
And break.
So we're done here, folks.